So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus of a computer application. Okay, and it is related to the CBSE board and for the class 10th itself. So let's start. So this is the episode one, which means today we are going to discuss about syllabus discussion, and then after, according to the unit wise, you will receive each day a new topics video with the practical and with the notes itself all in the description box. Moving forward, so this is me Gaurav Viswa, and I am from pass out of MCA, and currently I am working with the cyber cell. And in my free time, I am trying to talk with my mind that I have to deliver some content which will be helpful for the students of class 10th, 11th, and 12th related to the computer science, because over YouTube, no free content and no quality content is available. Okay. So first of all, we are going to discuss our syllabus. What is our syllabus? What I am going to follow, and what you can expect from me, that what I can deliver it. Okay. So distribution of marks and periods. So this is what of 4 units, and the last unit is a practical, and list 1, 2, and 3 is networking, HTML, and cyber ethics. So networking and HTML both is very important, but as we all know that cyber crime is increasing day by day, so maybe this year you get maximum number of question on cyber ethics. Okay, so all 3 units are very important. So as previous, networking comes for 15 marks, HTML come for 25 marks, and cyber ethics come for 10 marks, and practical will be of 50 marks. Okay, so those students who are facing any difficulties previously are not facing difficulties anymore. So we talk about the unit 1, which is networking. In networking, we will learn about internet. Okay, internet. In internet, we will learn about World Wide Web, which means www, web servers, web clients, websites, web pages, web browsers, blogs, news groups, HTML, web address, email address, downloading and uploading files from remote site. Okay. Then after, internet protocol. In internet protocol, we are going to learn about TCP/IP, SMTP, POP3, HTTP, HTTPS, remote login, and file transfer protocol, which include SSH, SFTP, FTP, SCP, Telnet, SMTP, and TCP/IP protocol. Then service available on the internet, which include information retrieval, locating sites using search engines, and finding people on the net, which means Google dorking. The next point is web services, which include chat, email, video conferencing, e-learning, e-banking, e-shopping, e-reservation, e-governance, e-groups, social networking. And this is one of the most important point, which may be covered mostly. And I saw near about 2 to 10 people that we are discussing on this. Okay. Moving forward, we will learn on mobile technology, which is SMS, MMS, 3G, and 4G. And now 5G is trending in India, so 5G also be included as per the latest technology. Okay. Now moving to unit 2, which is HTML, which could be quite larger syllabus. In the HTML, we are going to learn about introduction to web designing using HTML, where we will learn about create and save an HTML document, access a web page using a web browser. The second point is the most important point of HTML tag, with which we can create a web page, which is HTML head, title, body. Body includes some attributes called text, background color, link, v-link, a-link, break, horizontal rule, inserting comments, that how you are going to insert comments, which showcase that from there what you are going to do. If you are going to make a form, so if you send your code to anybody, so they can understand what you are going to do from here. H1 to H6 heading tags, paragraph tags, bold tags, italic tags, underline tags, order list, and list item. Description list, which could conclude DL, DT, and DD, attributes of start type and UL type. Then font tags come, which contain attributes of face, size, color. How to insert image, and then we will learn about how to create a form like registration form, login form, sign up form, like that, which include text box, radio buttons, checkbox, password list, and combo box. Then comes embedded audio, which and with the video in HTML page, that how to embed that audio or video over the web page. Create a table using the text table, tr, ts, td, row span, and column span. Then links. In the links, we will learn about significance of linking, anchor element, attributes, href, milestone, targets. Then cascading style sheet, which is used to beautification of the web page. In this, we will learn about color, background color, border style, margin, height, width, outline, font style, which include family style, size, align, and float. Then Unit 3, which concludes cyber ethics. In this, we will learn about netiquettes, software licenses, and open software movement. Then intellectual property rights, plagiarism, and digital property rights. Then freedom of information and the digital divide. Then e-commerce, which include privacy, fraud, secure data transmission. Then lab exercises, which include create a static web page, use style sheet to enforce a format in a HTML page with the CSS. In this, we are going to learn all the HTML part deeply, and then we will discuss about the CSS part, which is used for the beautification of a page. Then we will learn about embedded picture. In this, we are going to learn about that how to insert audio, video in a HTML page, and we will learn also about that how to take the audio and video from the background as a background, and how to insert audio from getting it from another website, and using link we will embed it in or inserting it into the things. Okay, then we will learn about how to add a tables, how to make the tables using td tag, ts tag, and then we are going to learn about frames in HTML page. Then we are going to learn about decorate web page using a graphical elements. In this, we are going to draw a very beautiful HTML page with the help of HTML tags and the CSS deeply. For this, we are going to learn about CSS deeply. Now, create a website using a several web pages. A student may use any open source or proprietary tool, which could be like that, how to make a softwares, how to retrieve that what type of software we are using, that is open source or not open source. Okay, which means paid. Open source is free, and some softwares are paid, that not to be known as open source. Okay, open source can be used from many of the people, many of the students for learning purposes, but the paid software are mostly used by the professional ones. Now, work with HTML forms, text box, radio buttons, checkbox, password list. It come in the lab exercises practical, but as of now we are going to focus on the theoretical part, and then at last we are going to learn about the lab exercises. Then we are going to write a blog using an HTML page discussing viruses, malware, spam, and antiviruses. Then we are going to create a web page using a discussing plagiarism, discuss some reported case of plagiarism, that how you can detect plagiarism with the help of artificial intelligence and the consequent punishment meted out. Explain the nature of the punishment in different countries as per their IP's laws. So this is for today, and we will discuss more according to the theoretical part and then lab exercises per day basis. Okay, so have a good day, and please subscribe my channel if you are new to my channel. Thank you.